Hey, let's get it. Skirt. I get to the money, I run up a bag. You know I stay fresh and I stay with a swag. Rocket designer supreme in my bag. I stop to the shop and I give me some swag. Skirt, 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 skirt. I stay fresh, gang.
What is up? I stay fresh, gang. Man, I know it's been a while and I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm about to show y'all something I've never done before. I'm kind of nervous about it. I'm kind of nervous about everybody's reaction to it. There's really nothing else I could say. It took me a long time to do this, but it was my first time doing it. And let me know what y'all think in the comments. Any criticism, good, bad, let me know. Like I said, it's my first time, so don't go hard on me, okay? Stay tuned. Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch me. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy. All this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy. Yummy all in your tummy. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy. All this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy. Yummy all in your tummy. Them more mistakes are gone. I won't do them no more. That's old news, that's new news. I done did that before. I turn nothing to something. My comeback on 100. Let's talk it, more action. You just gon' see coming. I just keep elevating. No losses, just upgrading. My lessons made blessings. I turn that into money. They gotta never settle. This view is so much better. I'm chilling, I'm winning, like on another level. Oh, you can talk all you want. See me, I stay prayed up. Nothing I'm afraid of, and I can have it all.
Rocket designer supreme in my bag. I stop to the shop and I give me some swag. Skirt, 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 skirt. I stay fresh, gang.